In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change fonts in Squarespace. Fonts do a lot of heavy lifting on your site. They shape your brand's personality, influence readability, and set the tone for every page. In just a few clicks, you can give your site a cleaner, more modern, or more editorial feel without touching any code. Here's exactly how to do it. First, open your site in the Squarespace editor and look to the top right corner for Site Styles. Click that. Site Styles is your central design panel where global settings live. It's helpful to open a page that includes headings, paragraphs, buttons, and navigation so you can see how changes affect different elements in real time. As you explore, remember that this panel controls your entire site's look, so what you choose here will apply consistently across pages. Next, inside Site Styles, click on Fonts. This takes you to the area that manages your site's typography system. You'll see categories for things like headings and paragraphs, and a live preview on the right. As you make selections, Squarespace updates the preview immediately, so you can judge legibility and style on the spot. Keep an eye on contrast and size. Body text should be comfortable to read, and headings should be clear and scannable. If your brand calls for a more refined look, a serif heading might be perfect. For a minimalist or tech-forward vibe, a clean sans serif usually works well. Now, select from the recommended font packs. These packs are thoughtfully paired combinations, typically one font for headings and another for body copy, chosen to look balanced together. Browse through the options and click a pack to preview it across your site. Take a moment to scroll your page and check how the pairing feels in longer paragraphs, section titles, and buttons. Aim for a pack that matches your brand's personality while keeping text readable on both desktop and mobile. If you're unsure, start with a neutral, well-spaced sans serif pack for body text and a slightly bolder style for headings. Subtle differences in weight and letter spacing can make a big impact on clarity. That's it. You clicked Site Styles, opened Fonts, and chose a recommended font pack. Before you move on, give your site a quick once-over on a few different pages and, if possible, on your phone. Consistent, readable typography builds trust and makes your content shine. With these changes in place, your Squarespace site will look more polished and purposeful, and your visitors will have a smoother experience from the very first glance.